Welcome to a very unique log cabin by Rollins Lake. It's a vertical log cabin. A one-room studio with real wood stove, lots of windows, brick, a little sitting area, desk and piano and closet, little counter with mini fridge, a kitchen sink and a counter and a Murphy bed with a little mirror, so reflections. Murphy bed is a wall bed. Then the bathroom with a full shower, some oak trimming. The view looking out from the log cabin, you will see this fenced raised bed garden, lots of trees. You can see the other house in a garage and a water tower, very unique feature in this area. You will also look down to the driveway.